What's up guys, today we had another awesome snow day, and today I can finally put to the test this snow cleaning gadget for your roof. There's places where snow can go up to like couple feet, and if you have too much snow on your roof you might have your roof collapse, especially on older houses. So you gotta clean off all that weight, all that snow off your roof, so that way your building, your house doesn't collapse. So there is a little gadget right here that helps you do that. Let's open it up and see what it's all about. There you go. There's a bunch of poles. They're pretty easy to attach. Feels like fiber, plastic, whatever you call it. Boom. Nice, look at that. So that's what you do. You push this in, put it through, and there's a knob, goes in like that, and you got a longer stick. So that's easy. Okay, and at the end right here a little rubber piece that goes on, so that way you can hold it. Wow, that's pretty long pole right here. That's huge. This is supposed to be left and right. Okay, there's L and R, everything marked. And these knobs helps a lot too. Right here it says R, and there's an R right here on this thing. Anybody can figure it out, honestly. All that snow all over it. This thing right here clicks in as well. Wow, easy. Nice. And we're done, we're ready to go. All we have to do is just untape these two pieces, and this piece completely can come off for the snow to come off like this. There you go. Okay, let's see how it does. Look at that. It's not a lot of snow, but nevertheless it does great. I'm gonna go to the top. Whoa, I can reach the top with that thing. And look at that avalanche. Nice. Then I can go to the next one. Oh man, that's so satisfying. Look at that. Okay, I kind of figured out how to use it now. There you go. This time was better. And it has wheels on it, so that way I can really clean it easily. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Boom, look at that. And I can just go in and out, so that way all that snow goes down, and I can go all the way to the top. Look at that. Awesome. And it's all on wheels, so that way it's not damaging the shingles or anything. Then I can go to the next one. Wow, this is so satisfying. Honestly, another thing I can watch all day. And one more here before I can move the camera. Look at that snow falling. It's a perfect slide for the snow. Boom, perfect. Couple more times, let's look at it. Look at that snow falling. So cool. Wow, so satisfying. Check this out. Whoa, I'm slipping all over here. Look at that snow falling. I'm addicted to snow. Perfect conveyor belt for the snow. And then you can push away the rest right here. So awesome. I know guys, but I can do this all day or watch this all day. I wish I had more snow to put it to the test with a lot of snow. I've seen people take off a big giant chunks of snow. We only have like few inches out here today. Maybe in the future when there is a lot of snow, I'll put this thing to the test once again. It just didn't snow that much and I really cannot wait for the another snow day. I really wanted to put it to the test already. But look, isn't this satisfying? Amazing. And one more time right here. Whoa, look at that snow falling. And that's how you clean the snow off your roof when you have a lot of snow. I don't really have to clean it because it's not that much snow. But if you have like a couple feet of snow, you might want to get that gadget. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this gadget. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and I'll see you next time.